There are thousands of types of plastic materials. In manufacturing, it has always been frustrating for designers and manufacturers to find the most suitable material, make a good design, and determine the appropriate processing conditions within a limited time. The Material Hub Cloud, MHC, launched by Moldex3D was created to resolve these issues. MHC integrates the measurement data accumulated by the Moldex3D Material Center over the past 20 years, as well as the physical property data provided by material suppliers. Currently, it has a total of more than 8,000 material processing data, and it is still increasing. MHC is simple and user-friendly. It can be used through browsers and provides multiple languages and engineering units that can meet each user's needs. It is your most convenient cloud material database. MHC provides 4 major features including Material Database Viewer, Alternative Material, Material Selection Guidance, and Material Comparison, helping users quickly filter and access the required materials. The Material Database Viewer feature enables users to quickly view the mechanical properties of plastics, processing curves, processing conditions, and the quality indicators of material data, so that all the materials in the database have their own identifications. With the Alternative Material feature, users can define the target material properties or indicators, quickly find the alternative material list among 8,000 pieces of data, and determine the optimal alternative materials through the approximation calculation results. The Material Selection Guidance feature will suggest appropriate materials based on the product application fields and product characteristic classifications. It will no longer be like looking for a needle in a haystack to find materials. With the Material Comparison feature, users can compare the physical property curves, mechanical properties and processing conditions of materials, and perform scatter plot analysis. The characteristics of different materials will then leap to the eye, allowing users to easily find the most suitable ones. MHC is not only a cloud-based material database, but also a good assistant for the plastic processing industries. Product designers can use the Material Selection Guidance feature to select suitable materials, according to the required operation environment, appearance requirements, material properties, and molding methods. Molding engineers are most concerned about the control of molding conditions. They only need to input the grade name into the Material Database Viewer, and then its processing conditions can be retrieved. Product suppliers can input the original material's physical property data into MHC as a base material to find alternative materials with higher similarity. Then, they can compare the mechanical properties and processing conditions of the alternative materials to make a final decision. In the era of supply chain disruption, it is a good assistant for finding alternative materials. CAE engineers need comprehensive material data for simulation analysis, so they can use MHC to filter suitable materials, preview the 6 major material physical properties, and download the corresponding material files for CAE molding simulations. Researchers can use MHC to compare different physical properties of different polymer materials, and retrieve material property data for research and development. With the right material data, we can make better design decisions and high-quality products. MHC is the most comprehensive cloud-based database for the physical properties of plastic material processing, providing the latest material property data as well as powerful filtering and comparison features. It not only helps users greatly reduce trial and error time, but also enables them to better understand the processing and application properties of plastic materials. MHC is your best partner in plastic design and manufacturing.